Alright guys, so who cleans your HVAC unit when it gets moldy, dusty, and God knows what's in there? This is just a little insight of, what we do and how we do it. Alright, so you're gonna see some pictures here. They're gonna be pretty dusty. Yeah. So you're gonna go ahead and clean. This vacuum is connected to the shield, and the pole is to hold the shield up. And I would recommend doing this, especially if you have allergies, you have asthma. This definitely helps. This is just a little insight on how we clean the HVAC unit. There's definitely more to it, but tune in again, guys.